wondered how we make our subway tiles on a massive scale? Stay tuned, watch this video till the last to know how we make ceramic tile at our factory, from making to packing of subway tiles from type group. So the first step is raw material mixing. So raw material mix goes for the dry mix first, that is such as feldspar, the quartz, and we have clay. All these type of raw materials are first dry mix, and then it goes to the ball mills, and then it goes for the pressing. So in ball mill, the raw materials are mixed, and then the slurry is made, and then it goes for the pressing purpose. So in the next step is pressing. The pressing is a process wherein the dedicated shape is made for the tile. Such as if I want to make this shape, the press will make this kind of shape of the raw material. Then it goes for the drying. So the tile is raw, of course, it will break. It's just the powder, it is just pressed in the press. And then it goes for the drying. In drying, the moisture is absorbed in the dryer, and then it goes for the first firing. In first firing, the tile, which is actually the complete dry material, it goes for the first firing, and then the end product after the first firing is biscuit tile. So biscuit tile afterwards goes for the glazing and printing. In glazing and printing, the first part is the waterproofing. It goes under it. The waterproofing is done with the engobe, and then it goes for the double glazing. After the glazing, it goes for the printing purpose. So whatever is the dedicated design that we have planned or that we have ordered in the machine, it goes for the printing. It gets print, and it goes for the second firing. In the second firing, it is very much important to do the second firing in the ceramic subway tile, so that the ink and the print and the glaze stays on, and it sets to it, and it doesn't come out or it doesn't fall. The final and the last firing it is. Then we have the last step, that is the final QC and packing. In final QC, we check out if there is any chipping or there is any dimple is there or something error, or whatever error is there, it goes off there without the further process. And while packing, we thoroughly check it out. Like if there is a little bit part is chipped or any other fault is there, we just reject that part. Then goes for the packaging. The final packaging is done for the customer, which is ready to ship. So this is just a short brief of our production process, that how we make our subway tiles at our factory. If you have any doubts, or if you have anything to ask for, write it in the comment section. And if you really like this video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.